Welcome back to another video. So this is another my second video of documenting the trade I normally take throughout the week. But as you can see how humbled I am. I was humbled by the market. So of lately I've been on winning streak, like 4 weeks of winning back to back, although I take losses in between, but I always end the week with positive PNL. So for this week I took a loss not for the first time. So I was like, what was happening? Is the strategy no longer working? So I was taking trade out of FOMO. The shift of structure I normally wait for, I saw myself like taking trades out of impulse, hitting stop losses, trying to revenge trade. Man, I was humbled by the market. I won't lie. This whole week was all losses. The only win that I was supposed to catch was the USDJPY. You see it on the video, but it came close to my entry, then straight to take profit. I didn't win any single trade. It was so crazy. So enough of too much talk. I'll allow you guys watch the video, and don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and like. So say this is USDCHF, and this is a daily time frame, and I see so much believe the price is bullish because you can see I'm making higher highs, higher low, higher highs. So I think we should have a higher low here to make a new higher high. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, and today is Monday, so I don't want to take an impulsive decision. So if USDCHF really wants to buy, I want it to react to this zone, come and break these highs, then retest, then I will involve in the buying from this place here. So I'll keep you guys updated on this. So every other pair that I have, I'm not seeing anything there at the moment. So if I come across anything, I'll still let you know. Trade updates on the USDCHF. I was saying if USDCHF really wants to buy, it should give a reaction here to close above, then retest to buy. But as you can see, disregarded the zone and the price closed below the zone, so this zone is no longer valid. I'll take that off. So I will wait for more price action to build up in order to know the next step to take for USDCHF. I just got in on this trade. As you can see, it was moving on the direction. All of a sudden, boom, man, this is stop loss taking on a Monday. So we'll go again. You see, this is the part of Forex that is so painful. So why did you have to do this just to move to my direction? AUDJPY. This is so painful. Wow, what the damn? It's just wicked out, then aggressive move to the upside. This is not good at all. Anyways, you always experience this in the market, but what can you do? Nothing. So I just took this trade on CHLGPY. So I had this push to the area of interest for the 1 hour, and then I saw the shift of structure over here, so I took my trade over here. But right now we are in a bit of drawdown, so I'll update you guys how this one goes. So few minutes later we are having the rejection I would like to see, and as you can see, we had a bearish engulfing candle coming out from the entry zone. This is good, and this is a good sign. So let's keep holding, and I will update you guys later on the outcome of the trade. Let's go. So trade update on the CHFJPY trade. So we were looking very good up to this moment. As you can see, price rallied up into our stop loss area. So let's see, we are still holding. As you can see, we are retesting the EMA. Let's hope this can pull it down. So another thing I'm saying is on the 1 hour time frame, if the 1 hour candle is able to like close below here, it's gonna like give the trade a much probability to play out. By then you see this candle like drop, then retest, then to continue on dropping. So let's wait and see. I will equally update you guys. I think it's going to be another stop loss. This is crazy. And that is the stop loss there. Okay, so it's Wednesday, so as you can see, this is GBP JPY. So I waited the whole time for this price to get to this area of interest. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame so you can see. So on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, price is making lower low, lower highs, lower lows, and this is supposed to be a lower high to sell back down again. So if you go to the 5 minutes time frame, so price was supposed to like come into the zone here, then maybe show something like this in order to sell. But as you can see, price just came and blew across the whole zone, which is very, very crazy. I waited the whole time for this GJ, and now this is all I'm getting. GJ, it's alright, I'll still update you guys if I eventually find anything. Hello guys, this trade just tapped me in, so it's still GJ. So I finally found a way to get on the trade, because as you can see, I have a high here, a low, a high. Then I was supposed to enter from here, but I wasn't so confident on this low that was broken. So what I waited for was like, okay, let the market give a new low, then maybe pull back to clear the highs, or pull back to clear the lows. So once I get a new shift, then I'll enter from the candle that caused the shift. So hopefully this can push the price down, because after the shift, then this should be the retest to continue making lower lows, because the market has already started making lower lows. So I will update you guys on this one. So as you can see, this was a loss again, and I will blame myself for this loss. Initially, before this trade happened, I wanted to see price close above this area here. You see, this price was moving to go and close above the area. It didn't, but I saw this shift again of this low, and I was like, okay, this should be another confirmation for price to keep moving lower. And immediately after I entered the trade, as you can see, the close above that I was looking for happened. So I'll blame myself for this. I'll take the loss and move on. But it's bad. Breaking the rules you set for yourself, you break it, is actually bad. Anyways, we move on. Now what I'm waiting now is, now that the price has closed above this high, I've taken out this high, so I'll be waiting for price to take out this major low that took out the high, then break it, retest, then to look for another sell. So this time I will stick to my rules 100%. If it doesn't break, or if it doesn't break very well, I'm not in the business of taking anything. But if it breaks, the retest, then I'll take this trade. So I will update you guys again. So as you can see, this, after losing for like three trades. This is a trade USD JPY. See, I was supposed to be on this trade, but we missed the entry. Now we are on TP. So I canceled this trade already. That's how trading can be. So now I currently have a limit order here. So I'm waiting for a retest, then to drop on CHF JPY. So I will wait and see what CHF JPY can do. Majority of the losses I have had came from GBP JPY. So GBP JPY of lately has just been faking me out, doing me anyhow, but it's okay. USD JPY, this one I would have caught this, but it's gone. CHF JPY, let me see. I don't think this is going to retest again. I think this is still going to also be a missed trade, but it's fine. This is USD CHF. So I'm on this buy on USD CHF. So after this, the sweep of these Asian lows, then I saw a displacement that caused shift of structure. So I entered on this zone right here. So let's see what USD CHF is going to bring today.